Software Spring. Presents. How to insert a checkbox. A business application of checkboxes in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps for inserting a checkbox, and for other related tasks. The tutorial also illustrates a business application of checkboxes. This is the data for this tutorial. Let's begin by stating a business objective of using checkboxes. To calculate quarter-on-quarter growth of revenue of 3 stores and control display of data through checkboxes. Alright, we are all set to insert the checkboxes. Select these cells. Click Insert, then click Checkbox. I will pre-format these cells to display the result in percentage. Select these cells. Click % symbol, and deselect. Moving forward, I will use the if function to calculate the percentage change in the growth of revenue from one quarter to another. Here is the syntax of the if function formula. Alright, let me type the if function formula to calculate growth in revenue from one quarter to another. Type the equal to symbol, if, and select if. Click this cell, and type comma. Key points. The if function checks whether this cell has a value of true. The cell will have a value of true if checkbox is checked, else it will have a value of false. A checkbox can also be assigned a different value, other than true or false, through the data validation option. I will type the formula to calculate the percentage change in revenue from one quarter to another. Type the opening parenthesis, click this cell. Type the minus symbol, click this cell, and type the closing parenthesis. Type the division operator, click this cell. Type comma, and type, for example, 3 dashes, between double quotes. If function will return this value, if a checkbox is unchecked. Type the closing parenthesis. Press enter. Alright, the if function has returned 3 dashes, because the value of H3 is false. That is, the checkbox is not checked. I will check all the checkboxes in just a while. Before that, let me copy the formula to these cells. Now, let me select all the checkboxes. Click the first checkbox, and shift-click the last checkbox. Press the spacebar. Alright, the if function has returned the percentage increase in revenue from one quarter to another. Say, you want to see the growth in revenues only for store A. All you need to do is to uncheck these checkboxes by selecting them and pressing the spacebar. If you wish to delete a checkbox, click the cell with the checkbox and press delete. Let me delete this checkbox. To undo the delete, press Ctrl and Z keys. Quick review. To insert a checkbox, click the cell, and click Insert, Checkbox. If a checkbox is checked, or unchecked, it will have a value of true, or false, respectively. A reason for using a checkbox is to display, or selectively display, calculated data. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.